Welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach, who will be doing a live trading session and live analysis, live discussion about every aspect of trading. NFP, a big trading day. As you will see that significant volatility increasing in the upcoming session. I would like to analyze the market from the directional perspective, euro dollar and gold, and also the Gbpusd, but euro dollar and gold, you see that nicely trending at the moment. So let's first look at one by one how the market is doing. And if you closely look at, you can see that there is a bit of good movement in the market, which is absolutely needed for any kind of entry opportunity. So what we can see on gold, there is a bit of bearish price action. I'll be analyzing the market from multi-time frame approach to see where the market is going to be heading. So before I progress to the analysis fully, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting. Every single day. Don't know why this is showing me stream setting. I just got a little bit of disconnected. It's a bit of if you guys can see me. I see a bit of disruption, okay. Why this happen on NFP day, every NFP day? Boy, poor. Because I have to probably, okay, so yeah, excellent. Yeah, that looks like better now. video output filter. I believe that you guys can see properly. Open widget, okay. Most likely I have to restart. The stream. And we see a bit of disruption here. All right, so now looks fixed. The issue fixed. There was a bit of issue, and thanks for being patient. Let me know, traders, if you can hear me now. Afternoon. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Greetings. Welcome. Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, NFP. Thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Well done. Well done. Hi, Coach. Hope you are well. I'm good. Thank you very much. Hello, Coach. Thank you very much. Welcome. Thank you. Good afternoon. Well done. Well done. Good afternoon. Hello, Coach. Thank you. Good day. Good afternoon. Yeah, thank you very much. Yes, thumbs up. Well done. Welcome. Thanks for joining the live session. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Now let's begin. First of all, I'll begin with gold and also euro dollar and GBP/JPY. As just 20 minutes later, there is a news coming up, and definitely this is going to be a very important day today in terms of NFP data. So we can see that the market basically forming quite a few liquidity candle on the lower time frame. So I would like to see, first of all, a bit of bigger picture on gold, starting with the gold. Now, the gold market so far didn't move much early today. And what I think that the main reason could be that there is a bit of bullish price action the day before, and then yesterday there was a bearish price action. And in that zone, if you look at the daily candlestick pattern, what do you see? That there is a bullish candle, and then there's a bullish candle, and then bearish candle. Today is in a very narrow range, so NFP could break this price from this structure, and that's where the most important part to look at. The way the price is now forming with the upcoming session, with the upcoming NFP in just a matter of 20 minutes, I think that if you look at here, what do you see? That this is a very important level of resistance level, and also there is a resistance here. And closely look at what we see, the price from the bigger picture perspective. In that zone, we see that there is a liquidity grab, and then there is a rejection in that area. So from the long-term picture, what I see, that gold might break in the direction of the support. Now let's see the monthly and weekly price action to see what's happening. Now this is the most important part that I want to look at on the monthly, because if you look at the monthly candle closed previous day on gold, there is a healthy body, and also there is a long wick at the top, right? So healthy body with a long wick at the top. So that means that we can expect gold to go ahead and fill that long wick for long-term perspective, and this is just the starting of the month. I don't believe that gold will be able to just go ahead and fill that wick without taking a very good amount of liquidity from this support here, or at least from this monthly support. So there is a probability for gold to drop to the support level before it bounce back towards the upside. There is a high probability. And if you look at, this is the support that we are talking about from the monthly. So from the bigger picture perspective, there is a high probability for gold to go ahead and hit that monthly support level, which is the around 2287. So from that perspective, what we can see now currently gold, what I think that with the upcoming NFP data release, we can expect gold to break below to retest this support level. Now if we look at the weekly chart to see in fact how gold is doing, now if you look at here, what do you see? That from the weekly, there is a weekly support here, and we have seen initially the price has retested that zone, and from the daily, if we look at, we can see that there is a daily, this is the long wick candle in that area on the daily, and so far today the price has tested this zone. And what I think that on gold, for the daily perspective, for the price to come and fill that zone from the lower time frame perspective. So what we can expect for the price, what I'm expecting on gold, that to come down and to fill that zone from the lower time frame perspective, as we see this market is currently trending to the downside. I would like to know your opinion also. What do you think that which way gold is likely to be heading in this NFP, and what's your thought on that? It's important to know that what do you think on gold. And let's see that if you look at the 1 hour chart here and also the lower time frame, the market is a bit in a consolidation pattern. So the data is absolutely important, because with the data release we will be able to see the clear picture. At the moment we see a bit of consolidation, and that consolidation is very important because this is where you will be able to see how the market might be doing in that zone. So lower time frame price action, we can see that there is a bit of consolidation, and with the data coming out, expecting gold to break below and then to retest this daily support level. So what's your view on that? Also I would like to know, what do you think, which way gold is going to be heading? Thanks for joining the live session. I can hear you loud. Thank you for confirming. Hello course analysis on gold. Yeah, absolutely. Good afternoon. Thank you very much. Yes, hello again. I was like, yeah, coach, new here. Do you trade NFP live? Yeah, absolutely. This is what we are doing. NFP live, that we are trading NFP live. As just a matter of 10 minutes, there will be NFP release, and I'm expecting for the price to break below to the daily support with the NFP release. We do trade NFP live. So before the data, if we see a bit of upside, which even could give a bit of momentum in the pricing, the price is just roaming in the 2300 level. So you see a bit of a breakout. I think that might fuel that price. What's your view on this? I think gold will buy during the NFP. Do you think that gold will buy? Afternoon, thank you very much. USDP is going to, yeah, okay, let's look at coach. Okay, so I think I'm not muted at the moment. You guys can hear me properly. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you very much. So you see, after multiple manipulation, a bit of bearish pressure coming. Thank you. Down to 27. Yeah, we can see that. Welcome. Planning trades, we just need to close it. Okay, here what we can see that in that area, this is a 15 minutes price action on gold, and with this 15 minutes price action, what we can see, there is a bit of rejection from the top. So far with the NFP, there could be spike. What I think that now the price might, with the spike, might grab more liquidity and then could continue to drop in that direction. Are you guys ready for a big winner? And again, and before the data release, I would like to also discuss another trade, that euro dollar. So we are running another trade, another massive trade that I would say on euro dollar. Now before I go to the NFP, let's look at the euro dollar also. Now this trade on euro dollar also I have shared in the VIP Telegram channel. So let me bring that up, and this kind of trade absolutely important. If you guys remember, in our previous session we had a trade but didn't work out. Later I have opened another trade. Now this is euro dollar trade that I have sent out in the community with a this is an entry point at 1.0732, stop loss at 1.0724 only, 8 pip to 7 pip stop loss, and TP target 1.07504. Now if you look at this, is already, it's already partially closed, the rest of the half is still running. Now, why did I open buy on Eurodollar? Let's turn on our liquidity candle. Now, if you look at the 4-hour liquidity candle here on Eurodollar, and also if you look at the 1-hour liquidity candle, back to back, two strong, powerful liquidity candle, guys. This is what I always telling you. You must trade based on strategy. You must trade based on proper risk management. Now, you can see that for those who got access to the liquidity candle, you can see exactly how the liquidity candle is forming and how we are looking at the market from that place. Currently, we are on this trade on Eurodollar. Now, as I mentioned before, there are three secrets in the market: market structure, liquidity, and price action. And according to the expert, or if you want to be a professional profitable trader, there is no alternative but trade with the trend, trade with based on liquidity, trade on based on price action confirmation. Now, euro dollar trade that we have opened, in fact, you can see that from that zone it just moved it directly to the profit target. And this is why I emphasize on trading with the trend based on proper tool. This is one of my favorite trading strategies that I use to trade the market every single day. So I got quite a few appreciation on that. If I bring out one of our fellow members who just has got an access to the liquidity candle yesterday from us, and yeah, so according to her comment, thank you sir, I appreciate it. You are an excellent mentor and teacher, and every Sunday that I attend Zoom classes, I trade better on my own during the upcoming week. When I miss your Zoom class, my trading results are less the following week. So you are definitely teaching valuable information and supporting confidence. Thank you. I'll study and start work with the indicator. Now, this indicator is not only the indicator, is one of my best trading strategy. Now you can see in your own eye that I use to trade the market every single day. Now, for those who have got in the academy, got access to the indicator, got access to the strategy, I'm still teaching. It's not a one-day job. You need a bit of time to give yourself. But for those who is still not there, I have a very good news. Today is NFP. As you know that I have the biggest coupon to give you to join today in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. And you can see on the screen that coupon to join, which is 80% off on the lifetime access, including the trading tool that you can see, including everything that you can get access in this academy from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So I have shared with you the coupon that you can see on the screen. Also, I can share with you in the live chat. I would recommend you to right now we have only few numbers given, few limited number to join with this almost free of charge. So it's just a little bit of charge is so that for those who are not passionate about not coming. Okay, so even if you are joining with 80%, that I would say that don't join if you are not passionate about, because I don't want to take gambler, I don't want to take the losing trader. I want to take the losing trader but who is committed to become a consistently profitable trader. So that's why the spots are limited. So you can use it right now on the website, check out that coupon, and then get access to everything that we have for the rest of your life to be a consistently profitable trader. So now let's begin to look at again on gold. Now we can see that after initial jump on the price, it's now has gone back up again for another pullback. Here is the key points to look at. We have only 2 minutes to go for the news. So let's look at all the instrument, including gold and euro dollar and Gbpusd. So let's keep eye. It's only 1 minute remaining, and in this 1 minute I'm going to give a poll to look at to see what you guys are thinking. Let me post a poll. What do you think that NFP so let us know your view before the NFP. Okay, we see that a bit of here on the lower time frame. This is where the price action is showing highly. That's a massive bounce. That's a big up. There is a reason behind it. That's a very, very negative data for DXY. Average hourly earnings 0.2%, forecast was 0.3%. Is it going to recession? Non-farm employment change is 175k, while it was forecasted 238k. All of them negative. What happened with the DXY? That's why it is important that, guys, you're not opening any position by guessing. DXY had a big dump with the NFP. All right, so that has given a big move on a big upside move on gold. Now this is a very crucial point to look at the moment. You see, this is why I didn't open any position, and we see that there is a bit of big move. Okay, thank you very much. Gbpusd, I will be looking at that. Rocket ship, yeah, we see a bit very stronger bounce, and yeah, absolutely we'll be looking at to see why this movement happened and where it is going to go. Now if you look at the weekly price action, it might even return back again, which is also possible, but at the moment don't do anything, guys. Wait for the price action confirmation, and then we will be looking for that entry. So 55% thought that gold will go up. Okay, now here is the key points to look at, because the market has made a huge bounce. Now is it trending to the upside, or it is a manipulation? This is the most important question now that we need to look at, and then we can look for entry. Now let's see the daily chart here. Okay, so this is a daily resistance line, and it might face a bit of difficulty. Yes, absolutely. Azima Alex, there is a big promotion today. There is a big promotion, 80% off joining the academy only for today. NFP sale. I'm sharing with you that $300 coupon. That's gonna be only for limited number, so you can use it right now on the website access checkout I have given you. on the live chat. All right, so here is with this big huge bounce, it is important to see if the market is being able to bounce and trend to the upside, or it is another manipulation. Do you think that it's gonna trend, or it's another manipulation? What's your opinion for your USD trade? Yeah, Euro USD has boom. It's a big move on Euro USD, and we just has taken incredible profit on Euro USD. So Euro USD is closed with big profit. Yeah, we have gained a big profit on Euro USD. So if you guys remember that has taken profit on Euro USD, huge bounce, and that's where the liquidity candle comes in play. If you look at that liquidity candle, now you can see that here 3 liquidity candle. One is here, played out perfectly. There's one here, played out perfectly. There's one here, played out perfectly. 3 liquidity candle, and all of them 5-to-1 risk reward is possible. Okay, that's why the risk management is so important when you are trading. It's so important. Okay, now we see that there is a bit of bounce here. Now with this bounce, now by the way, this is our euro dollar. This is the trade that I have posted. That's in the VIP community. We have a massive gain. So we had a massive gain on Euro USD. And let's wait for another entry. Let's see how this is impacting the Gbpusd. The GJ might now drop below this level, support level. Now we need to see that gold with this breakout is trending. That's where you will be able to see a good move in the market. Because it's on the daily resistance. So 4-hour candle on gold is basically showing multiple liquidity grab. Now this one, yeah, the possibility for bullish is a bit of higher, but still wanna see that preparation for entry. This is a big move, guys. Let's see. Let's wait for an entry. Gold. Thank you. Good for you. Yeah, that's what happened. Euro USD, we have made a big move. Harry, why it is pump up so hard within a short time? Very simple. It's pumped up within a short time is because of the dampening of DXY. So if you guys see that, here is what you can see, that DXY due to the data NFP came out, given a big blow. Now you can see that average hourly earnings is, all three were negative. So when they coincide together, they normally have a very good relationship. So basically, if you look at here, 0.3% forecast came out to be 0.2%, 238k forecast, 175k outcome, 3.8k forecast, and 3.9k outcome. So all of them to be negative for DXY. Thank you, guys. Do you experience buffering on your side? Why do I see the buffering on the screen? I hope that the connection is working well. Thank you. And yeah, we see that, you can see whenever it's coming down, it's getting a bit of rejection. So looking for an entry, here. It's the 1 minute. Now we need to look at the 1 minute because it's gonna be big volatile. So looking at euro dollar, also doing the same thing, big move to the upside on euro dollar. This is a liquidity zone, 2297. Though this is an ambitious expectation to drop back here. It is possible to drop, and here we can see a bit of bearish here locally. How did this impact a dollar yen? Has a big drop. GBP also had a big drop. So I want to keep focusing on gold at the moment. Okay, the chances for again to retest the support, forming a liquidity candle here. We might find potentially selling opportunity short term. Let's see. Preparing. Boom, that has a drop. Before I press the button, it start to drop. It was a bearish here a bit up, and it's a big drop. Okay, wait for the price now to rearrange. Now chances for the price to drop back again to the downside is high. Are you guys with me? We'll be looking for the best entry possible. Can go to 2325. Look, if it bounce, then yeah, we'll see that even it could be liquidity trigger here. Still, we see that after this big move, the price again has come back to the support level. Now, if it is retesting this support, that's gonna be huge, because the chances for maybe here. Okay, most likely we'll see gold again testing this 2296 level. We might see that, and then it could remain bullish until we see that pattern. I will not be okay. So the 15 minutes close here, and now the weak fill come in play. But let's see either if the price is going up from here to fill the weak, or it's grabbing more liquidity from this level before it goes for a weak fill. Where's still stronger here. Okay, we see that pattern. Okay, let's first break it below, and then once this is the 1 minute price action, let it break below. We might see now a break below, and then we will be looking for entry. Are you guys enjoying the live session? I would appreciate if you are enjoying the live session, if you give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. Now you can see here we could see eventually breaking 2296 again. There will be another news coming, as you know that this is the 4-hour price action here, a big long bearish candle, 10 minutes remaining for this, but this is a very important point to look at. Either gold is breaking below or it's going back up from the 1 hour. On the 30 minutes, let's look at all time frame from 15 minutes and from 5 minutes, from 1 minute. So this is an order block here with the NFP with the 1 minute chart, and it's very important to see either this candle closing below as a big red candle and then trending down, or it just has come here for a pullback and then bouncing back up. So it is possible for this price, let's say, to merge with this channel and then to trend in that direction. Which one is gonna happen, we'll know exactly from the price action. Patience, guys, patience. You know, patience pays off. With our euro dollar trade, we had a huge gain on a single trade on euro dollar, and that the patience paid up. Okay, once you'll see the candle is ready, so you guys are ready for entry, we will be jumping on the trade. Okay, I will put a buy limit here exactly on that line on gold. So it will be a buy limit 2296.38, and I would like to put a stop loss here for around 30 pip or 35 pip. If we need to enter by market, if we see, we'll be doing that, but I think we might see a break of this support before, if it wants to go up. Or what we see, a rejection. So if it is getting a rejection, then there is no point of buy limit. Having a rejection, We're not putting a buy limit, guys, because we saw a rejection. Not putting buy limit anything. We'll be entering by market if we need it, because the market just got a rejection. The setup become invalid, so we are not putting anything at the moment. We are not entering anything. Rather, we'll be waiting to see the restructuring of the market. We still could see downside bias here. Price action is really confusing sometime, and we have to be patient on that. This support is very important for me, and waiting to see how the market is reacting to that. And absolutely appreciate your support, guys, to this channel by giving a thumbs up. If you give a thumbs up, will be much appreciated. Thanks for joining the live session. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Now here is what we will be looking to see, how the market is reacting in that area. And this is the most important zone that we see after this pin bar or doji. It moved back up. It might range a bit because there is a, you see, this is the 4-hour candle closing with a long week candle, and there is another news coming up, and with this candle close, now the directional bias will determine on either the price grab liquidity from the top or from the bottom. Does the price has grab liquidity from the resistance or from the support? So I think it grab liquidity from both sides, but the bias, the directional bias is more important here. One thing that I see on the directional bias, which I don't want to make your trading decision based on that, just as an opinion, is you can see the market on the top on the daily, it tested the high again and maintaining the lower high, but here it didn't retest the support yet. So the probability for breaking down is of course a bit of higher to see how much it's coming. So the candle closed on the lower time frame. Okay, from this level I will be going short on gold. Stop loss will be above this high. There will be around 36 pip, 37 pip. Stop loss is going up a bit, so which might give us a bit more room here. So make sure guys you do proper risk management. As I mentioned, anything can happen in trading. I will be targeting to this support level, which will be 2.5 times more than. So I am going short on gold in that area. So the stop loss will be at 2307.983. So this is the short position on gold here at the moment, and in that area. So we see a bit of side with a very little risk here. I took only 0.25% risk. So I am short on gold, and if it goes up then we will be out, but I'm expecting it to break below. Okay, so you see a bit of upside here. I took only 0.25% risk, so make sure that you do proper risk management. Still I'm on the trade. I just got out with the trade. It will be re-entering again. That's why it's a very little risk. We see bounce from that zone, re-entering again if we find that entry again, because it's very volatile market. I don't want to put a big stop loss. No, it might, let me see, from the 15 minutes. Okay, I will be re-entering again with exactly the same pair up here with the short position, stop loss above this high, and TP target here again 321. Very quick turnaround. So open short to stop loss, take profit below this level. So I have sold, and TP target here, because it grabbed liquidity again, expecting it to drop down again with a very little risk on it, 0.25% risk. So each trade that I'm taking is 0.25% risk with a stop loss. So with SL, the place that I have put the SL, I don't recommend to trade without a stop loss. Must be. So I'm short on gold, and here expecting it to drop down, and I'll give an update what I will be doing. If you don't know how to do the risk management, how to take a smaller risk, you can join today. I do have a complete risk management plan and training to teach you how to take this kind of trade with the guys. As I mentioned, the market will never give you always winner, because if you long term want to be profitable, you need to know the risk management. You need to know within a short period of time how to control the risk. Okay, so in this trade now, the previous trade I took only 0.25% risk. Now I am running again in profit, and this one I want to take a bit more bigger profit, at least more than 2 times, so that I can cover the previous one plus this one's profit. So here this is there was a bounce and expecting it to come back to this support. Now I'm running in profit nearly to the same as the previous one. This is what I was telling you. Now it's important that you always do the risk management, guys. I put a very tight stop loss with proper risk management, because there is no other alternative way but doing the risk management, putting the stop loss, and then trading with the trend. Okay, so here let me see from the 1 minute. Okay, so once the profit will go more than the previous trade, then we will be taking something here. Dropping down in the major direction. Anyone running this trade with me? Dollar yen, yeah, thank you very much. Did you do the buy limit? No, I'm short, and it's moving more than the previous one. Sanbota, yes, okay, welcome. Now let me see what we will do with that. Yes, I sell. Okay, welcome. Make sure you are not gambling. Must put a stop loss, must do the risk management. If you don't know risk management, then you must learn it and If you are our member, then must join the Zoom class that I am taking, so that you know that risk management, guys. If you don't know the risk management, then I would recommend you to quit trading, because you just throw your money. You see that the trade, the previous one, now this one is more than the previous one. That's how trading is. I'm trading like a real trader. You need to know the risk management. You see that now it's moving more than our previous trade, and now we need to look at either we'll be keep running or we'll be taking, let me see, it has come to liquidity zone, but expecting it to break support, because there is a big void here. And I'll give a shout out if I'm closing profit, and then we'll be re-entering if needed. I'm ready for closing, but I still didn't close. Okay, it form a weakless candle. Okay, I'm closing with the profit. I'm closing with the profit. I have closed the trade with profit. We'll be re-entering again if we need it. I have closed with profit. If there is a bit of time delay with me, then a bit of, okay, if we need to re-enter, we will be re-entering. Here we can see a bit of let me see what kind of price action is forming. So this is called the scalping, and as there is another news coming, we can see that a bit of manipulation. We might see further manipulation, but let's wait for another candle to form to re-enter again. We will be re-entering, guys. So are you enjoying the live session? Let me know. Are you excited about this session? Unless you are doing the risk management, it's gonna be very hard for you to understand. Thank you. Hello, sir. How can I join and become a member? King Duris, you can join and become a member today. If you want to join and become a member, then visit the website. There is a 80% off today due to the NFP. This is an NFP coupon. If you're not using it, this NFP coupon, then you're not gonna be able to use it anymore, because it's getting ended. So if you want to join today with the NFP coupon, which is basically 80% off, joining with the NFP coupon, I think that Lexema, your order has been filled. I will recommend you to try again. So what you need to do is just use this coupon on the website checkout. You can find a link below this video. So I have given you on the live chat. Use that coupon on the website checkout, and then go to the proceed to the checkout, and you will be able to join, become a member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So use that coupon right now. It's gonna be ending tonight. So if you are not using it, someone else will be using it. So you can find that link below this video. Use that coupon to join and to become a member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, where you can access the incredible tool. If you look at our euro dollar trade early today, I have posted. Let's also look at that, and we'll go back to the gold again, as euro dollar also trending. Now if I bring out my euro dollar trade that I have posted early in the VIP channel, okay, so if I look at you can see that this is euro dollar, euro USD, and this is the entry, stop loss, take profit with only 7 pip stop loss. This trade as a day trade was sent out as a signal, and it's applied our liquidity strategy. Now you can see that this is the liquidity candle formation. You can see you can use that as a member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, but I don't want you to give you that candle, that tool, without being a member, because you need to learn first the strategy before you use that tool. Otherwise some trade may not go in your favor based on that tool, and you need to be able to see that it's applied the strategy or no, because you need to learn the rules before you apply the tool. So to access that tool, you need to be a member, and today 80% off joining the academy. You can use that coupon just now given on the live chat. Using that coupon, you can become a member in the academy and be part of the trading community. Any question, don't hesitate to ask. Let's look at now what's happening with the gold chart. Again, going back to it to see if there's anything happening here. You see a bit of still sideways movement, I think the traders are waiting for the next one. So there is another 45 minutes later, there is ISM service PMI. Now guys, if this one is coming negative for DXY, the next news, already we have seen a big negative on DXY, then DXY might get a big crash here. Okay, so let's look at DXY to see how the market is evolving on DXY. So you see that already has got a crash. Now if this one, the next one is coming negative for DXY, we might see sudden waterfall, and that waterfall might take that price well in the bottom of the ocean. Welcome is that gold. Thank you very much. Yeah, are you still on gold? No, I'm out with profit. Coach dollar yen bounced from the support. Yeah, we see that. Thank you, Priyanka Verma. Yes, thank you very much. Welcome. Okay, so now we will be entering more trades today, so stay tuned. Make sure you do risk management. And as I mentioned, if you don't do risk management, then don't open. I would recommend you to just watch the live session, see how the market is doing, learn the rules, learn the analysis, but don't open if you don't know the risk management. Now let's say you might say, okay, how do you know the risk management? How can you learn? Then you can join the academy, because here I'm doing the main job is teaching every member to learn the risk management. No problem, you don't have to join the the academy to learn the risk management. You can learn by yourself, or you can learn from somewhere else, no problem. But the most important part here is that if you want to learn trading and if you want to be profitable trader over the long term, then you must do the risk management. If you don't know what is risk management, then I would recommend don't open any trade. And also there is a demo trading plan that is free, available below this video in the description. You can download it. So if you go to the description of this video, below this video, you'll find a downloadable trading plan where there is a bit of idea on risk management, but the tools I can't give you on the downloadable format. So we have you need to use a risk manager tool to maintain the risk. It's all about risk management, guys. Trading psychology, risk management, and strategy. These three plan together will give you a clear idea about the market. All right, so it's important that you always follow that step. So three most important point. Number one is risk management. Okay, number two is trading psychology. Number three is strategy. Oh, it's not 2, 3. So when you can combine these three, then you can become long-term, consistently profitable trader. You can note that down and do a bit of stronger research on this topic, how you can learn that, and that's where you become, a consistently profitable trader. So now let's see what's happening here on gold, and again we see a bit of downside. Let's see that if the market is preparing for this move here. Just has drop again in that direction. So ultimately we might see 2296 level again. Okay, now it is still a bit of choppy, so it's not expanding because of the news coming, so we still can expect for another jump. Now in the meantime, let's quickly look at, guys, on Gbpjpy what it is doing. We have seen a huge bearish candle on Gbpjpy. We might find a trading opportunity on GJ as well. So let's do a bit of fresh looking at Gbpjpy to see overall picture in the market. Now Gbpjpy, if we look at the daily chart, we can see that it's a very strongly bearish market, and this is a resistance line on Gbpjpy, and with this resistance line there is a big drop here, a big bearish candle followed by another long bearish candle followed by another bearish candle. Now if we look at the weekly chart, this is the weekly chart. Last day of trading week we have seen huge rejection, that basically bringing this price to this support level. And looking at the daily chart also, you can see there is a bit of imbalance in that direction. So the price action on GJ is highly likely that we could see a drop in the direction, potentially could see that. Now 1 hour candle here is from a lower high, double top, a breakdown with a long wick at the bottom, and jumping to the lower time frame with the NFP, we see that there is a good move on Gbpjpy. So there is 63 people here. This is a neckline here. Let's see a bit of there's a long bearish engulfer is being formed on the 15-minute chart. Gbpusd is, you can see, very nicely trending. Gonna keep an eye on that. While we see that gold again, I have come back to the gold again to see what's happening here. With the NFP, basically the market and not is still trending for a bigger move. While we see that this instrument Gbpusd showing bit of amazing bearish price action. So there's a fair value gap here on GJ. So we have 30 more minutes for another news to come. For GBP/JPY with 25 pip stop loss, we will be selling short here to this level. So I'll be selling GBP/JPY with 25 pip stop loss at 192.08. Late in my entry. Come on. Enter. I was late, but if it goes up for a pullback, then I'll be entering. So we entered a bit late, but short position on GBP/JPY. And this one, if you look at this market, has got a strong breakdown, and the stop loss is around 26 pip on this trade. So the second trade, third trade, and waiting for the price to come down to give us some profit here. So I have sold GBP/JPY. There is a liquidity candle formation. There is a sudden drop on gold with the news, most likely due to the news effect. That's a big drop. Complete breakdown again. And with around GBP/JPY. We'll keep running GJ here. We'll keep running up to the TP. So the TP target is 191.36. Or at least to some extent of profit, and then we'll be closing. Let's look at what's happening with the gold. Gold had a massive breakdown, and what's happening with the gold, guys? What's your view on that? We are entering. Yeah, we entered GJ. I think gold will drop now. Yeah, gold is dropping. Yeah. you reached your for gold. Yeah, we closed and we re-entering again. GJ, we are short on GJ, which is running currently. Euro USD, yeah, thank you very much. Gold USD target, Euro USD, yeah, thanks for that. Yeah, absolutely, this is what it is. I'm short on GJ also. There's a huge breakdown on gold. So if you look at, there is a manipulation to the upside, there is a manipulation now happening in the downside because this market manipulated a lot to the upside. So the running trade that I have to readjust. Okay. The Gbpusd I'm holding because I'm expecting it to dump. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me with the GJ? And as I mentioned before, if you want to learn the strategy, if you want to be part of the Forex Trading Wizard Academy, today you can join us. There is a huge 80% off joining the academy with the lifetime access checkout. Okay, so you can join today and then access everything, including the trading tools, strategies. So there is a coupon given, $300, where you will be learning the real strategy that I am trading. As you can see how many trades that I have secured currently, and all of them I am applying based on the strategy that I am trading. So if you are not yet in the academy, I would recommend you to join right now so that you can learn and grow as a trader. So GJ, I'm holding it, and for this potential drop, I'm running a bit in profit, but want to see that it's basically dropping further for bigger profit target. Okay, gold is, there is a huge breakdown with the news. That breakdown is in fact huge here. Let's see the lower time frame price action here, what it is trying to do. And the GJ has got a bit of upside here. But this upside might bring that price again back below this support. Okay, GBPJPY holding it. I want to see now breaking the low, creating a new lower low. Okay, GBPJPY again moving in our favor. Would like to take some profit on GJ. See your guys' a thought on that. Okay, so I see that Duras Sam, you have created a new user account, but what I would recommend you just to join the academy by clicking join now button, or by using the checkout. So if you are on the website, make sure that you use this button, click here to join now button, where you can use that checkout, that coupon, using that checkout in the checkout option. So we see that JJ started to drop. Gold also has got a rejection again. So there is another rejection on gold. While GJ, yeah, we want to hold the GBPJPY here. running in good profit on Gbpusd. Sometimes this price moves very peculiar way. It's not being able to break that low. Gold trending nicely downside. Still holding it. We might see a bit of liquidity gap here. Let's see what's happening with the gold. So we have only 10 minutes for the other news to come up, and I think this is an overextension on gold. I think this is an overextension. and anytime we might see that gold is moving back down again. So with this move on gold, as you can see, let's see how far it is going. It might be going to retest. This is the 1 minute chart. If we look at the 5 minutes, we see there is a bullish candle, but there is a big drop, and with this drop, basically the market is, you can see, it's just pushing high again for deeper diving. And then this is the 1 minute. We would like to see that it grabbed enough liquidity and then rejected. So you see the same thing happening with the GJ. It's just bouncing up to the resistance level. It's all about the liquidity, guys. So here is GJ also in a liquidity zone. Okay, gold has got a bit of bounce here. Now this bounce, if I look at the intraday, we see the market has grabbed liquidity from the top, now from the bottom. So where the price now trying to be heading, then that's the question. This is a very important level of resistance on the 1 minute chart on gold, and there's only 7 minutes for the news to come up. If I look at a bit of higher time frame, 30 minutes, so far big drop. 15 minutes candle has dropped a lot, and 1 hour, if we look at all time frame, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and then going to the 1 minute. This extension on gold, to me, it's an overextension. It's an overextension, and I think it's a very fragile. This is a very fragile structure here. Do you think gold is going to reverse from here, or it's gonna just again break down? What do you think? What's your opinion on that? So you have 5 minutes remaining for the news to come. Okay, so it's going to this liquidity zone. Oh, GJ has got such a big bounce here. No clue on it, but gonna pull back. Let's see how the price is reacting in that zone. If you look at, this is the NFP candle, a breakdown, again retest. So we have only 3 minutes to go for the news to come up. Now, depending on really this data will be a big game player, because if this one is also coming on red, then there might be a big dump on DXY. Then that might be a big drop for long-term drop, as today is the last day of trading week, guys. And in the meantime, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. And in addition to that, if you want to join recommended broker, then you can find link below this video, and also I can share with you the link in the live chat. You can click that link and then sign up to start trading with recommended and regulated broker. So you can find that link and you can sign up and start with even a smaller capital. So now let's look at, okay, so this is a resistance level that I have drawn here, and if the market is going up to retest with the news, for me there is a huge imbalance here in that zone. So if the price is getting a rejection from the top, we might see that continuation to the downside, because there is a big imbalance in this area. So far with this drop, it's now pushing high, and with this, if we see a bit of penetration and then rejection possibility, let's see how the news coming out, because if gold is dumping, then we might see a big dump on gold. Okay, GJ again has come down to our entry point, and wanna see that it's now dropping down to our TP target. Okay, so the last minute before the candle, before the news. Yeah, there is a double top, 1 minute. Yeah, so the news also will impact GJ as well, so you might see even a big hit on GJ with the news. Okay, big drop. Okay, GJ, big drop. What happened? Suddenly drop and bounce together. What's happening with the gold is just move back up. Okay, now big manipulation. All right, GJ. Okay, GJ running good profit at the moment. Are you guys with me holding the trade? We see a very strong rejection on GJ. So that might give us a good opportunity here. There's a gap opening on gold. Gbpusd, we wanna see that it's giving us that profit, but it's just struggling to drop. While gold is a bit of dramatic today, not a bit of quite a bit of dramatic here. So what data came out here? That one also negative for DXY. So basically all this four data has given a negative connotation to DXY. Okay, GJ. Anyway, we are concerned about our Gbpusd. We are running good profit on that, and TP target at 36. Boom, it's almost hitting the TP. It's almost hitting the TP. So with the Gbpusd, so we are securing another trade with profit. We want to take profit now on GJ. Only 3 pip remaining to hit the TP. Let's wait a bit more. And okay, taking profit on GJ at the moment. I'm closing my trade with profit on Gbpusd. Why am I some of my come on. Okay, so it's almost hitting that. Okay, I'm closing with the profit, running profit. So now my internet is doing slowly. So I have secured the profit on Gbpusd. I have secured profit on GJ, so which is around 44 pip. Okay, I closed profit. So I've closed profit on GJ. So yeah, that's a good one. You guys let me know how have we done that. Don't know why this account is doing like that. Okay, so secured profit on GJ, and let's see what's happening with the gold now. And I would like to see your update on GJ. Did you guys have secured good profit on that? Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Massive breakdown on gold. Yeah. TP for GJ. Yeah, absolutely. TP for gold. Yes, gold. Thank you very much. Reverse. Yeah. Will drop. Reverse. Yeah. Thank you very much. Bearish structure. Yeah. Bounced up. I've joined the Forex Trading Wizard Academy last year, and that was best investment in my trading business. Welcome. Yeah. Thank you for mentioning that. Used to go bearish, drop. Yeah. Go back up into London session. Thank you. I strongly believe it will drop. Okay, so you think that gold going up? I saw the institutional buying gold. Okay, so gold will drop. There is a double bottom. Okay, I'm with you trade. Yeah, thank you. Sure. Yeah. Yes, sir. Welcome. Yeah, that's another trade that you have secured. Now, the most important part here, guys, that what is the logic behind the trade? That's also the important question, right? What is the strategy? Because everyone coming in the market can trade the market, right? It's not a problem, but the most important part as a trader need to keep in mind is the strategy, right? Strategy, tool, risk management. Being a trader means that becoming master on applying a strategy, doing the risk management, knowing when to trade, when not to trade. Now, I begin my trading in the same way. When I started my trading journey, it wasn't easy. Okay, so I was continuously losing money every single day until I realized that actually I'm doing everything in the wrong way. Until I found the right mentor to help me. You see that one trade cost a lot of mistake, right? One mistake cost a lot of losing. So this is why it is so important that you have the right frameworks, setup, strategy, right guidance. And here the door is open. Today we had 80% off on the joining in the academy. You guys have seen how we trade. If you want to explore more, then don't miss out this opportunity. It's not gonna be available anymore. So today is the 80% off only for 48 hours for NFP. So I'm sharing with you that coupon along with the website link. Once you join, you can just experience everything with me, trading, and also trading tools where you can learn and grow as a trader, be part of the trading community, and also access everything that we have in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. It's in comparison with the value you're gonna get is unbelievable. So you can take that opportunity, and any question, don't hesitate to ask the live agent. Isa is there to help you to if you have any question. So now let me see. We have seen two important news being released, but gold is doing a bit of dramatic movement here. Let's see. GJ has dropped. It might keep pushing down further. We taken profit. Let's see now on that with the gold. Okay, now this 15 minutes candle, there was a very unusual bounce here, and really important to see. You know, the price action sometimes causes a bit of see gold, the way it's manipulating. I think that we might see further slide. What do you think on gold, guys? What's your view on that? We still have something to take more, so make sure you stick till the end, and also smash the like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Greatness, profit secure, skill learn. Thank you, Greatness. Thanks for joining and giving the bit of encouragement for everyone. Yeah, this is what, you know, I'm every day trying to ensure that as much as we are improving every single day, I wouldn't say that, you know, we are doing everything right. There's sometime some areas maybe we have a little bit of weakness, but we are improving every day to help the members. The main goal here is the intention. So we are helping hundreds of traders, thousands of traders all around the world every day, and we'll keep doing that because this is why the Forex Trading Wizard Academy is created, to create market wizards, traders who can understand and who can trade like the institutional trader. Now, to trade like an institutional trader, you need to know the strategy that an institutional trader uses. So what is strategy that institutional trader uses? Very simple, you know. Nikola Tesla once said that if you want to know the secret of the universe, then you think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. If you want to know the secret of the market, you need to think in terms of market structure, liquidity, and price action. And these are the three secrets that every institutional trader knows. Either you are trading on $100 trading account, or, you know, $1 million or multi-million dollar account, the same strategy, same analogy goes on, except if you are in a hedge fund or if you're a hedge fund manager, then you might need to think differently, because some of the hedge funds strategy may not be, our strategy may not work in a hedge fund, because hedge fund strategy basically they have a different strategy because they are the institutional traders. But if your fund is, you know, couple of $1 million, still you can use the same strategy as long as, you know, you are not making too much load on the market. So for $1,000, couple of $1,000, couple of $100,000, couple of in a $1 million account, you easily can use the strategy that we are using, the tool that I am using. Now you can see that this is my best tool in the whole life that I have created is now available for the members. Now let me show you what it is. Now you can see that this is the life-changing tool that I'm using. You can see liquidity, candle formation, not too many trades in this almost 9 to 10 hours to trade alert here according to my strategy. One is here, you can see with the arrow and liquidity, and both of them played out exactly at least 5 times profit target. Both of them you can secure. This one also played out nicely. Now this one didn't play out, okay, because it became exhaustion here. So one trade didn't take, but 3 trades played out almost the 5 times profit, you can say. So if you do the risk management, 15% here, 1% gone here, see. So you need to learn the risk management, that's the key here, and that's what I'm doing along with the tool, giving the risk management and everything for you available now to join, to access. So right now you can join using that coupon given today on the channel, will be available until the market open. So 48 hours sale, it's NFP 80% off. You can use that and use it on the lifetime access checkout to become part of this trading community. Now let me see again, going to the gold, and as I mentioned before, after grabbing multiple liquidity, it's now again on its way to the downside. Okay, now there is a 15-minute doji. If you look at the weekly, monthly, okay, so the price basically trying to bounce from the monthly support. So you see, guys, in the meantime, if you are enjoying the live session, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press the bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. And we see that after multiple manipulation, it's now started to drop in the direction of the major trend. So from the monthly support, if we look at, here is the big support, and as this market on gold manipulated multiple times, grab enough liquidity, has gained momentum, if it drops down back, then we might see that bit of downside here. So you want to enter further. Let's look at more opportunity. Don't miss out. Let's see, because when the market trends, we can have a bit more opportunity. And in the meantime, we see that GJ has gone up for another pullback. We have secured the profit here. Dollar yen, we see a bit of bounce here. Euro dollar breakdown from that resistance level. So quite a bit of movement. As you can see that, guys, we had a big session. Again, NFP, as I mentioned always, that NFP is a very good day for trading, and NFP is where we can learn and grow for trading, because during the NFP we have a lot of opportunity. The market volume comes and we can trade. Now, as with the progression of this session, I'll still be looking to have some additional trading opportunity. As we can see, the market is moving, and we want to secure some more profit on that. And due to the time limit, I will be ending this live session. It was a great week, big week with all of you, including the VIP as well as the community on the YouTube. I really appreciate and thank you for all the support that you guys are giving, guys and girls giving in the channel. With that commitment, tomorrow I will be releasing a very important strategy video during the London session time. Keep eye on the channel. It will be greatly helpful if you watch that, because there will be something really surprising there. And before I leave, if you want to join us today, use that coupon. And also, if you want to sign up with one of our recommended brokers, you can find link below this video in the description. Also, I can share with you the link in the live chat. So I have given the link in the live chat. You can use that, or you can go to the description below this video to get access to that. So with that being said, thank you very much for joining the live session. It was a great time. Let me see if I missed any answer from any one of you. Thank you very much. Yeah, welcome. How far do you see it dropping? Yeah, dollar yen bouncing from the major level. Thank you. And yeah, we'll see you soon trading live together. Until then, stay well, stay happy.